We are on day 2 in France, and I was gonna do a little walk around of our room that we're in, or hotel room. It's really like a house. This is the view outside. So actually you can see there's a school right across the street and kids are playing out there.
Sounds weird.
So there's Rebecca on her phone. There's Nolan on his phone.
I'm waiting for everyone.
And Anna is patiently waiting. Here is the little kitchen that we have. Here is the room that the kids slept in. It has a little, there it is. And up there in the roof, there's actually a little skylight.
Yeah.
And then here is the room that Rebecca and I were in. We are all packed up and about to head out. So, and then in our room, there's actually a little balcony with a really nice view out. Here is our restroom and shower. Nice shower. So that is the room. This place is called La Salamander. And they have...
There's a lizard on the front, so I'm guessing...
It's a salamander.
Yeah.
Not a lizard.
That's what it looks like a lizard.
So, all right. We are about to leave.
So I took the camera again, and wrong way. Oh, what's going on? Okay. And now the bell's ringing, and there's a market here. A market. It's a cute market. Look. It's ringing.
We are now at the Memorial Pegasus, which is right near the Pegasus Bridge. The British landed here on D-Day. They had glider planes that landed here, and it was actually the location where the first Allied troops were shot by Germans on D-Day. Actually, 2 British soldiers were killed here. One of them was shot and one of them drowned when their glider landed in a marsh. So now we're going to go take a look around here. Here is one of the parachutes they shot out with a dummy, and they put basically like fireworks and sighted them to confuse the German troops. Here is the outside of the museum. They have a few different vehicles here. And then if you scan around here, there is the actual original Pegasus Bridge. They replaced it, I believe, in 1987, the original. And they brought the one that was actually in the war back here and put it in the museum. This is Vedette. She was actually in the war. They filmed this in 1970 on the banks of one of the rivers over here, and they restored her for the 70th anniversary of D-Day in 2014. One thing I'm surprised to find out is it looks like these gliders were actually made out of wood.
Yeah, that's wood. Because wood can rest. Why wood?
See, we're back.
We're back.
Because we stole, or we didn't really steal this camera again. Oh. We're in the gift shop.
Of the
Pegasus Bridge
Memorial Museum.
Yeah.
It's very windy here.
And look, these are the little memorial Pegasus things. It's a little poppy. I don't know why they put the poppies everywhere, but yeah, they have them over here too. Like they have like little dish towels. Oh, I did it again.
We went to the museum and wanted to go eat lunch. They only serve lunch at certain times of the day. We were a little late, so we had to go to McDonald's for lunch. Nothing says Paris like a Royale with cheese. We are finishing up day 2. It was a really good day. Right now we are in the pinkest room you have ever seen. You can probably see behind me, that's one of the walls. All the bedding in here is pink. Everything is pink. Except for the sheets, they're purple.
My sheets are pink.
Yeah. Nolan hasn't made his bed yet. This morning we woke up in Honfleur and got our breakfast. And the lady brought our breakfast to us around 9:15 this morning. And it was all sorts of good breads and croissants. And we made coffee. And then we went down to the pier and walked around there a little bit and did a little shopping. And then after that, we went to the Pegasus Bridge Museum in, I don't know the name of the town, but it was pretty cool. It had the original bridge at the museum and a lot of artifacts in there, British and German artifacts. After that, we drove to Mont Saint-Michel. We can see it out our window, which is pretty cool. And we're going to go visit it tomorrow, so stay tuned.